Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sultana Surabian. I will do project 2 pre-intermediate. There's two parts. Part 1 is relative clauses. The function relative clauses, also called adjective clauses, function as modifiers for nouns or pronouns, the antecedent. They provide necessary identity or extra descriptive detail about the person, place, things, or concept without starting a separate sentence. The grammatical pattern is a relative clause is introduced by a relative pronouns who, whom, whose, which, and that, or a relative adverb where, when, why. The selection depends on two factors: the nature of the antecedent, human versus non-human, the grammatical role of the pronoun within the relative clause itself, subject, object, or possessive. And there is the pattern. So the original sentence. Sentence 1 defining subject role. The software developer who designed this encryption protocol won an industry award. Sentence 2 defining object role. The paradigm shift that the professor outlined in her lecture will revolutionize quantum computing. Sentence 3 non-defining subject role. Dr. Elena Rostova, who pioneered research into neural plasticity, has been named the head of the institute. Sentence 4 non-defining possessive role. The historic library, whose rare manuscript date back to the 14th century, are currently undergoing a massive digital restoration. The structural and meaning analysis. Sentence 1 structure. The relative clauses is who designed this encryption protocol. The relative pronouns who respond human antecedents and acts as the subject of the verb's design. This is a defining clauses meaning a lacks commas and is structurally essential to the main matrix clauses, meaning it restricts the scope of the software developers. It tells us exactly which developers won the award. Without it, the sentence, the software developers won the industry awards, loses its core in identifying context. Sentence 2, the structure, the relative clauses is the professor outlined in her lecture, the relative pronoun that modifies a non-human antecedent, paradigm shift, and function as the direct object of the verb outline because it is an object pronoun is in a defining clauses. It could optionally be omitted. The meaning it defines the exact paradigm shift being discussed. It limits the meaning to a specific concept present during a specific lecture. Sentence 3 the relative clause is who pioneered research into neural plasticity. It is offset by commas identifying it scientifically as a non-defining clause, who is a relative pronoun acting as the subject of the clause. It provides non-essential supplementary information about Dr. Elena Rostova since her name already unequally identifies her. The relative clause adds interesting background, but can be deleted entirely without altering the foundational meaning or grammatically of the main clause. Sentence for the relative clause is was. Rare manuscript date back to the 14th century. It used the possessive relative pronoun, who's modifying the non-human noun library to show ownership over rare manuscripts. It is non-defining and enclosed in commas. The clause provides parenthetical historical context. The main point remind that the library is undergoing digital restoration. The age of its manuscripts is an extra descriptive aside. Very example one, the digital transformation of our global service means millions more people would now benefit from the insightful, impactful journalism that our courageous and innovative teams continue to deliver. There is the title, publisher, date, and source link. Next example two, state hit by new wrongful death lawsuit by family of Jason Wilson, who died in brutally hot and air-conditioned cell. Next, analysis of example one. This is a defining relative clauses. The clauses modifies the non-human press, the insightful, impactful journalism. It is introduced by the relative pronoun test, with which acts the grammatical object of the transitive verb deliver. The theme, yeah, that's it. Because it serves an object role within the restrictive clause, it undergoes optional deletion in English grammar. The sentence would remain perfectly grammatical if it read, journalism, our courageous and innovative teams continue to deliver. Semantically, the clause is vital because it specifies the distinct origin and nature of the journalism being praised. Analysis of example 2. This is a non-defining because the clause modifies the proper noun antecedent Jason Wilson because the proper noun provides complete semantic identification on its own. Any relative clause trailing it is naturally non-defining and must be separated by a comma. Relative pronouns who is used here because the antecedent is human and it functions strictly as the subject of the intransitive verb type. In English syntax, subject relative pronouns can never be omitted, making the presence of who mandatory semantically if it functions as a parenthetical element, providing critical narrative context regarding how he died without changing who he is. Next, the next topic is subordinating conjunction and preposition. The function is links are dependent clauses to independent main clause. establishing logical relationship like time, cause, or effect, condition, or contrast, subject condition, plus subject plus verb. The preposition is connects a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase, the object of the preposition, to another word in the sentence to show spatial, temporal, or conceptual relationship. Preposition, plus noun or pronoun or noun phrase or gerund. The original sentence. Subordinating conjunction have four sentences. Although the company increased its marketing budget, sales remain steady. Okay, and the preposition have four sentences too. There's too many. So next, structural and meaning analysis. Sentence 1. Although introduced the depend clause, the company increased its marketing budget because it is front-loaded. A comma separate it from the independent clauses, establishes a relationship of concession or contrast. The expected result of a higher budget, more sales, is contrasted with the reality. Sentence 2. If introduce the depend clause, the temperature exceeds the safety threshold, trailing the main clause without a comma because establishes a condition. The main action reverting relies entirely on the trigger of the temperature threshold. The sentence 3, because introduces front dependent clauses, the architect ignore the soil composition, requiring a comma before the main clause because establishes a direct cause and effect relationship, explaining why the foundation crack. Sentence 4. Until act as a conjunction introducing the dependent clauses. It's because establishes a temporal boundary time restriction. The finalizing of the contract cannot happen before this specific event occurs. 7.5. When it takes the noun phrase, the accountant's keyword, as its object, forming a propositional phrase that modifies the verb discovered. The meaning is show a direct spatial relationship. Sentence 6. Despite takes the noun phrase, the term terrain as its object because expresses an abstract logical relationship of concession. Sentence 7. Context the noun phrase kernel level energy storage as its object, modifying the noun study indicates topic or subject matters. Sentence 8. Towards take the noun phrase, the author edge the orbit as its object, modifying the verb tracted. Very example 1. While oil prices slip as traders watch for developments in the Iran war. And there is the source information. An example 2. Thousands of fans turned out the Great Egypt national soccer team on its return home Friday after its World Cup adventure ended with a 3-2 loss to Argentina. And there is the source information. Example 3, China successfully recaptured the first stage of a rocket after a launch on Friday in a breakthrough for the country's space program. Example 4 with England taking an insurmountable 3-0 lead on the back of destructive half centuries by Peel South and Harry Brook. The analysis of example 1. The word as connect independent clauses to the dependent clauses, it functions temporally to indicate simultaneous action, establishing that the market movement and the traders' observation happen concurrently. Example 2 here after introduce the dependent causes it's a World Cup adventure ended only by a noun, but here it is a conjunction because it is followed by a verb. It establishes a temporal sequence subordinating team World Cup exit as the prior event that triggered the main clause action. Analysis example 3. In governance, the noun presses a breakthrough, creating the proportional press in the breakthrough. It functions conceptually rather than physical here, showing the state or category of the action described. The recapture of the rocket acts as a breakthrough, modifying the preceding action to highlight its significance to the space program. Example 4 by text the proper noun phrase, Pilsats and Harry Brook as its object. This from an agentive professional phrase modifying the noun phrase destructive half centuries. It indicates the agents responsible for scoring those rounds. Next, part 2, analysis the error question. Question 1 is relative clauses. There is the correct paragraph. The student who won the competition is my friend. She met a professor whose book was published last year. The library, which was renovated recently, is very modern. I have a classmate who studies linguistics every day. The laptop which I bought yesterday is already broken. The lecture that teaches syntax is very popular among students. The building which we discussed yesterday will be demolished soon. The researchers whose article received an award works at a famous university. This is the campus where I studied for 4 years. The scholarship, which was offered by the government, attracted many applicants. And there is the error analysis table. So, The incorrect form is the student which, and the correct form is the student who. The incorrect Professor Wu Shi book and Professor Wu's book. The incorrect library where it was. The correct form library which was. Incorrect was his studies. Correct whose studies. Incorrect the laptop who. The correct one is the laptop which. Incorrect lecture that she teach. The correct lecture that teaches. Next, discuss about the correct form discuss. Warm article, the correct form was article. The word I studied, the correct form where I studied, which it was overt, the correct form which was overt. And next question 2. My university is larger than the university in my hometown. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the smartest student. This semester is easier than the previous one. The library is quieter than the cafeteria. English is more interesting than mathematics for many students. My laptop is more expensive than my friend's laptop. Of the three presentations, John's presentation was the best. The new classroom is the most comfortable room in the building. Traveling by train is cheaper than traveling by plane. Today weather is worse than yesterday weather. So the correct analysis table, okay, there is uh this is a degree comparison paragraph, but I forgot to. So the incorrect form is more large. The correct form is larger. The incorrect was smarters. Correct form smarters. More easier. Correct form easier. The quietest than. Correct form quieter than. Interestinger. The correct form more interesting. Expensiver. The correct form more expensive. More best. The correct form the best. The more comfortable. The correct form the most comfortable. Most cheap than. The correct form cheaper than. Better. The correct form worse. So next, both the lecturer and the students were interested in this seminar. Either the manager or the staff member are responsible for the project. Neither the teacher nor the students was prepared for the presentation. Not only does the library provide digital resource, but also over study space. The researchers is interested both in collecting data in analyzing the result, whether the meeting will be online or offline has not been decided yet. No sooner had the lecture started than several students arrived late. Scarcely had I finished my assignment when the lecture announcement a new text. Such was the difficulty of the exam that many students felt it. Not only the professor but also the assistant conducted the workshop. Put or. Correct form is put and. Either and. Correct form is either or. Neither or. Correct form is neither nor. Not only and also. Correct form is not only but also. Both in collecting data and to analyze. The correct form is both in collecting data and in analyzing. Whether and whether or. No sooner had when. Correct form is no sooner had than. Scarcely had then. Correct form is scarcely had when. That's so many. That many. Rather the professor then also. Not only the professor but also. Thank you.